Hello and welcome to this introduction for the Blazor crash course on the advanced software tutorials channel. Now we have had the tutorials XL channel a long time ago, and currently we are revamping it toward becoming a part from advanced software.io. So we welcome you again to another tutorial from advanced software tutorials, and we're gonna show you in this really quick crash course Blazor, its capability, and how you can join with us and uh, know what is a Blazor, work on it, and create more and more applications with it. And because it's a really new technology, we know that there is some learning curve, but we will help you in this, and we are happy to have you in our channel. Now please subscribe to our channel, our channel, and check below the description to join our mailing list for updates, and also for different offers that we always offer for our own creative viewers. So now let's talk about Blazor. Now Blazor was actually an experimental project that was launched inside I think Microsoft, if I'm correct, and it was just a really small project, and it was very promising because you could create single page application and interactive application using C# in the browser, which is a huge leap forward in using C# and so on. Now there is some SPAs frameworks out there, such as Angular, Vue.js, React, and so on. But I think that taking C# to the browser was a really nice move, because C# provide more capabilities and a much stronger and more stable framework than anything else. And if you are already a .NET developer, you could use it, learn it, and so on. No need to go and learn React and C and Angular and so on. And you will see throughout these tutorial videos how easy it is to work with the Blazor. So now let's talk more about the Blazor. And if you notice with me, I have here the docs for Blazor. You can, as you can see, you can use the C# syntax inside the Blazor components and pages, and there are some different modes for Blazor. You can run it on assembly, WebAssembly, or server, and as you can see, it's built on the Open Web standard. It's using shared libraries like .NET standard. Also, there is an interpolation to use JavaScript if you have some D3 .js libraries to do charting and so on. You can integrate it with the Blazor and so on. And there are many different tools for Blazor, and it's starting to gain popularity recently, and it's growing much bigger and bigger. And if you check their GitHub repository, it has about 20,000 stars, which is a lot, and it's very active project and growing daily. So it's something that you can rely on for the future, and you can use right now. Now it used to be experimental, even for the server the WebAssembly version, but right now it all became stable, and I think in the near future it will replace some of the frameworks that we currently have, such as MVC and Razor Pages. Now if you are a C# or a web developer that develop tools develop already with C# like MVC and Razor Pages and even web form, are there any learning curve with Blazor? Now there are some learning curve for the different APIs and technologies and capabilities inside the Blazor. But let me tell you, it's not very hard. It's very easy. It's easy to learn, easy to use, and everybody like who have C# capabilities will be able 100% to create a Blazor application and use it as like his framework for web development. Now I done myself a small project on Blazor. I really liked it, and like any future project that I have control over, for sure I'll be using Blazor. Now let's talk a little bit more about a topic that for sure will be a technical depth for you and your team when using Blazor. Now, shall you use the Blazor server or Blazor WebAssembly? Now, for the Blazor server, it uses a WebSocket connection to always stay connected with the server and update the UI. Now, this is for like a small intranet application and so on, or applications that require intensive, let's call it server processing and so on. You can use the Blazor server version. But if you have many concurrent users and many users are connecting to your website and many users are coming to your website, you might want to look at the WebAssembly version. Now my favorite is the WebAssembly version because many of the time I don't want a lot of connections going back to my server, and I want to do as much as possible client code processing while having the capabilities of C#. And it's way better for you to use Blazor than Angular or React for many reasons. One of the reasons that I switched directly to Blazor is, and especially the WebAssembly version, is if you go to Angular and React and so on, you will need to create a backend, and that backend needs security, and you can expose a lot of APIs just so your application start like go online. Now with the Blazor, you don't have to expose anything. Everything is closed and sealed, and like not your user can just open the developer tools in the browser and see all the requests and where is that, and then he take the token and you have to issue a token and you have to refresh the token and so on. All these things can be really challenging after like a big trial with Angular and such frameworks. So Blazor actually will save you time, will give you a better security, will give you better performance, native C# performance, and many beautiful features that you can use with Blazor. Now that was a quick introduction for our own Blazor crash course. Please check the description below for awesome offers that we always providing. I would like to thank you for watching this introductory for the Blazor crash course. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.